Hey Chalk Nation, I am back with another Shein press-on nail haul, and I picked some pretty interesting nails this round, so let's get into it. Okay, I ain't gonna hold y'all too long in this video. I kind of wasn't even gonna do a haul video. I just was gonna do tutorials on all these nails, but I cannot gatekeep this information. I had to share it with y'all. Look at these nails. They are a long square shape, which is one of my favorite shapes. I love the red design with the nude in the background. Red and nude just go so well together. Look at this set. It is so bomb. Now this next set was $3.40, and I have never paid more than $3 for nails from Shein, but this set right here, I totally understand why, because it is a lot going on with this set. First of all, it is extra long, and I love the square shape, and these nails have so many different designs and colors and rhinestones. The quality is definitely giving, and you get 24 nails in the pack. So I get it, Shein, I get it. I mean, anything under $5 is a steal. So $3.40 for some extra long square nails with all these designs and colors and rhinestones on them, I would definitely say it's worth that $3.40, which if you got these same nails done at the nail shop, you would definitely be paying over $100. So Shein came through with these. It is so many different designs that's in this set, which I love me a good set that I can mix and match. I love how some of the nails have a black French tip with the design on them, and then you have a white French tip with the purple lines and the black rhinestones around the French tip area. Then we have other nails that have the black French tip with the purple and silver designs on them. We got rhinestones on the tip of that black French tip nail that's in the center, and then how cute is this black bow on this nail? Like, this set just gives. Even though these colors I normally would not go for, I like my nails a bit on the brighter side, but I couldn't pass these up. Definitely was thinking outside the box with these, and I'll definitely be doing a tutorial on these nails very soon. So let's get into this next set. It was $1.95, and look at all these rhinestones on this set. I love the pink and nude ombre, okay? And then we got all these rhinestones all over these nails, and multiple nails have the rhinestones all over them in different sizes, which I love. At least 2 to 3 nails out of that set can have rhinestones on them, which is a plus because a lot of the nails don't be coming with a lot of rhinestones on all the nails. So I had to scoop that set up. Now this set right here, I love me a good print on a nail, especially when it's on the French tip, and this is like a tortoise shell tip. I love the colors. I love how some of the nails have a splash of pink in them. Pink and brown just go so well together, and I feel like this set is just really simple, cute, and classy. The nails are a bit on the transparent side, so you can either use regular glue or you can apply them using the Gel X method. Either way, the nails are gonna hit because they are just too cute. Now y'all know I've been stuck on duckies, okay? So I got me another duck nail set. It was only $1.95, and it is so pink, okay? I love pink. I love how it has the dark pink French tip with the leopard print design. I love how it has the light pink French tip with the leopard design, and then we have like a zebra pink print on some of the other nails, and the background of these nails are like a really cute shimmery pink. I love that. Now I know a few of y'all, quite a few of y'all, specifically my subscriber, the Sunshine. Yes, Miss Sunshine, I got another set of duck nails, and I know you ain't trying to take a dip in a duck pond, but baby, I'm gonna convert you over to getting you a duck nail set, okay? I was against them at first too, but honey, I am a believer now. Okay, so this set, I really wanted to get this set and have it before Valentine's Day, but I did this haul a little bit too late, so it missed the mark. But we are still in February, and February is the month of love, so I'm gonna still apply these nails. They are super cute. They are a matte finish. They are a long coffin shape, and I love how the other nails have that like swirly line on them, and I love the pink, the red, the white with the nude, and then the black just kind of evens out the other colors on the nails, which is super cute. And yes, I got another duck nail set. And what about it? Drop a comment and let me know if you want to talk about it. So this duck nail set caught my eye. First of all, it was only $2.20. Now, I love me a good print. Like I said, I love nails with leopard print, zebra print, cheetah print, polka dots. Like, I love a good print on nails. And then they have that nude color towards the cuticle, and then it kind of fades into a clear and black zebra print. I was sold at that point, because look how cute it just kind of fades together. And these nails are super cute on the Shein website, but they definitely give way more than they gave online in person, which that is a plus. I love the 3D nail art design that we got going on here with the pink lips and the rhinestones, and then the nude behind that pink just makes the whole nail just pop. Duck nails are slowly becoming my new obsession when it comes to nails. Okay, I'm definitely a square and coffin shape girl, but the stiletto shape nails and the duckies are definitely growing on me. Drop a comment and let me know how you guys feel about all the nails in this haul, especially the duckies. I want to know if you guys are still on the fence about them, or if you are starting to like them as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are viewing this video and you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe, like this video, comment down below, and check the description box. Everything will be linked in the description. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.